Welcome back to my channel. My name is Saad from Fantasia Art and I am a digital artist. In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing art with these two images. If you would like to work on these images yourself, I have provided the link to download them in the description below. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more amazing Photoshop photo manipulation tutorials. Now let me show you the final result of this image before we get into the Photoshop tutorial. We will begin by using this image, and first we have to crop the image. Press C key on keyboard to select the crop tool and click and drag to crop the image like this. And now let's drag the tree image into the Photoshop and hide the background layer by clicking on this eye icon, and now right click on tree image layer and click on rasterize layer, and now let's make the selection of the tree using channels. Click on channel and here simply click on all these layers to see which have more contrast, and I will go with this one. Now hit Ctrl plus J to duplicate it or drag it to the plus icon to duplicate it, and hit Ctrl plus L to open the levels tab, and you have to simply make the tree black and background white with this slider. And you have to make the and you have to make the tree black and background white with this slider, and you can use the curve as well for this. And now it looks good. Click on OK and hold Ctrl and left click on this layer to make the selection, and click on top of this layer, and now click on layers and click on this mask icon at the bottom of the layer panel. Oops, I'm sorry. First we have to invert the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift plus I key on keyboard and click on the mask icon, and now you can see it's great and visible this background layer. And now let's drag the tree to the center of this hand, and here I am experimenting with all these layers, so you don't have to do this unnecessary step, so I'm going to skip it. And now let's move on to the next step. And now let's hide all the layers and select the background layer, and now make the selection of the hand where you want to erase the tree from the hand. And you can use any selection tool you like to make the selection, and I will use the pen tool to make the selection of the hand. After making the selection, visible all the layers, and click on the mask icon on the tree layer and select the brush by pressing B key on keyboard, and make sure to change the foreground color to black, and erase the tree from those areas where you think it does not look great. And now you can see it's getting more realistic. And now create a new empty layer by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom of the layer panel, and make sure to create this layer at the top of this layer, and now paint some roads on the hand to make it look more dramatic. And if you are using a graphic tablet, then it will be much easier to paint these roads on the hand. And I will be using a mouse, so now I'm going to speed up this video a bit and just paint the roads randomly. After that now right click on the tree layer and click on apply, and now click on apply mask or merge layer, and click on this icon to select the smudge tool and zoom in, increase or decrease the strength as you need. And now paint the roots to blend it with the hand, and just paint it randomly. While painting these roots, you have to change the brush size randomly. And after that, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl plus J key on keyboard and select the tree layer, and hit Ctrl Shift Alt plus E to merge these layers into one. And now with the smudge tool, blend the tree roots with the hand, and now take your time to make it more realistic. And now there's nothing to talk, and I'm going to speed up this video a bit. and you have to paint it randomly like this, and that's it. It is the final result of this image, and I hope you like this tutorial, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more amazing Photoshop photo manipulation tutorials, and see you in the next video.